Hi lovely people, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. Especially if you're a returning viewer, thank you for sticking around. And if you're new here, you are so very welcome. I hope you enjoy what you see and that you'll stay and be part of the EllieBeth community. Today I wanted to share with you a couple of things that have come to the shop recently, which sadly I didn't have time to film a reveal for, which is the charity kit of Penguin Joe Returns for December. Still in shop and still, you know, donations still being made. I'll talk a bit more about that in a minute. But I also thought I would pair it with the December Sticker 8 monthly reveal as well. First thing I want to chat through is the Sticker 8 monthly subscription, and this you can, at the time of filming, you can still sign up and get the Wonderland themed collection in January. And there's also an offer on for new subscribers and existing ones, if you email me, for a reusable sticker book. So do go over to the website, have a look at that, and you'll be able to find all the information there. So I've got today to share with you the December Sticker 8 monthly. I've got the classic monthly view and I've got a classic mini kit. First up, every kind of little kit comes with a postcard. This one has on a quote from Maya Angelou. "This is a wonderful day. I've never seen this one before," which I think is a beautiful quote. And on the other side is our gorgeous, gorgeous robin. I love the kind of the pencil effect on these. I just think it's so pretty. And then we've got into the pinky purples with our samplers. These are moving through a spectrum as the months go by. So if you have been signed up from the beginning, you'll have started off in kind of pinky orangey and come through peaches, and now we are getting well and truly into purple. It has the same quote and then is similar to the other freebie samplers that come out with every order as well. So the artwork for this is just, oh, it's so pretty. I love the robin and the greenery, and I think it's going to be really lovely. I probably would use this January. So this came out in December, so it was posted out to subscribers by the middle of December, and it is the standard setup for the monthly view. So you've got a monthly skeleton and a monthly extras. I love this robin here in the background of the sidebar. It comes with the following 2 months as the kind of monthly options, but if you wanted, I mean, you could use this anytime and just pop on another month sticker that you may have. So that is how that kind of works. So in January it will be February and March that are included for the monthly options. This classic mini kit I have got here is actually a second. You can see Mimi the Mamaki had a bit of a moment with her printing, but I decided to show it with you anyway because it serves the purpose of showing you what's actually in the kit. So the mini kit has 4 pages, the monthly view has 2, and we have this one here, which is basically a weekly core. We've got a days, dates and Penguin Joe page. We've got a page that's half deco and half boxes. That felt funny to say. And we have a page that is washi, appointment labels, checklists and icons. So that is the mini kit, which is 4 pages, and that also would come with the sampler and postcard. You can also just get a functional kit, which is 2 pages, and so as you can see there, that would be very functional. You've basically got a weekly core and the days, dates and Penguin Joes. I know some people have suggested that they might like to have, say, that as an option for a 2-page kit, or even that. At this point in time, it's going to stay as it is with the options that I've got available. So the functional kit of 2 pages or the 4-page mini kit. but who knows what could happen down the line. You can also get this in other sizes. So there is the medium, which is suitable for A5 planners, and you can get that again, functional, mini and monthly view. And there is the small, which is kind of for Hobonichi weeks and those kind of size planners. And again, you can get mini, functional and monthly view. The other option that you do have is to add on some full boxes to your subscription, and these were the ones for the robins, which I just think are so beautiful. Can't wait to use this myself. The sign-ups are done online and it is a monthly subscription. However, you can purchase a one-off subscription just for 1 month if you wanted to do that. Perhaps there's a theme that you've seen, that you see the theme when it's revealed on around the 15th and go, oh, I love that one. Or perhaps you're already a subscriber and think, I need more of that. But as I say, do have a look at the website for all the information on how to sign up and how it works. Or leave me questions down below, also fine with that. So something I introduced a few months ago was the idea of having a charity kit. It has the same format of pages as the Sticker 8 monthly subscription, and basically 50% of the profits from the collection are donated to charity. So this one is Penguin Joe Returns, and it was done in aid of the Alzheimer's Society, which was suggested by Sharon, who's on my creative planning team. And I just wanted to share it with you because I thought then you can have a little look at the format of the kit as well, and perhaps it's something you would like to support through purchasing some stickers. So we have got, this is the medium functional kit. So this would be for a Hobonichi cousin. So you basically have an A5 core and then this add-on sheet, which is lots of mixed boxes, Penguin Joe's days and dates. So that's that one. We've then got the small functional kit, which again is the same second page, but it's a mini weeks. And oh my gosh, the quote on this is so lovely. There are friends, there is family, and then there are friends that become family. And I love this day cover here with Penguin Joe just peeking through above Friday. So cute. So they have the same second sheet, and then if you wanted to make either of them into a mini kit, these are the pages you would receive. So you would get the deco and a mixture of different boxes and labels, and you would also receive the washi and checklists and icons page. So again, everything is on the website listings and things to show you exactly what is in each option. But if you need any help or advice, please do just leave me a comment below with what your planner is and what you're thinking of getting. Also in the charity kit, I did do some full boxes, and we also have, oh, that's the classic one. So just so you can see the different boxes. And also I do offer A5 and 7x9 daily pages too. So the way that this works is they come in pairs, and this is available for the subscription as well. So this is the 7x9 daily essentials. So you get 2 sheets, which you could always of course buy multiple if you wanted to have a double page to match. And then for the A5, this is the pages for that. And so you get a really good mix of stickers on these with headers and deco and lots of labels, your boxes, checklists and so on and so forth. So those are daily essentials. So that's kind of the, as I say, the reason I wanted to pair these together was to share with you the format of the different options with the charity kit and also with Sticker 8 monthly. So hopefully that's given you, I've probably just made it as clear as mud, to be perfectly honest with you, but hopefully that has given you a little bit of an overview. And if you've not already thought about sort of supporting the Alzheimer's Society through Penguin Joe collection, then you can still do that. Normally I run it for the month that the kit is released in and donate within that month, but because this released a little bit later in December, I am actually going to run it until mid-January for donations. Okay, I think that's about it. Let me know if you are enjoying Sticker Rate Monthly, if you're a subscriber, or if you are not. Perhaps you could let me know what it is that you would like to subscribe to, or perhaps what you would like to see in the future. Until next time, lovely people, take care of yourselves, and bye-bye for now. Now, back in October? September? October. Autumn last year, this year. Oh my gosh, I'm already in 2022. No, it's 2021, Rachel. Until next people. Until next people.